Hello there, David here from londonsafes.co.uk, and my content is all about safes, that's security safes. If that's the sort of content that you might want to see more of, please consider subscribing to my channel. So if you're looking for a safe, or you've got a question about safes or this safe, you can WhatsApp me directly. My number's on the screen now, and I'll put it up again in this video, and it'll also be in the video description. So on the bench today, today's safe is the Chubbsafes Zeta Grade 1, and this particular derivative is the size 25E for electronic keypad. So it's the Chubbsafes Zeta Grade 1 25E. And it's from this range of Grade 1, Euro Grade 1 safes from Chubb, and it's the size 25 here. I'll go into the dimensions, but there are one smaller and 4 larger models available in this range. So for insurance purposes, suitable for storing up to £10,000 in cash or £100,000 in valuables. So the external dimensions, the height is 330 millimeters, the width is 450 millimeters, and the depth is 400 millimeters, and the safe weighs in at 59 kilograms. Finished in this mottled, attractive dark grey paintwork. The safe is equipped with a digital keypad, which is battery operated, uses a 9-volt battery that just lives inside there, as you can just see there. And to open the safe, you just dial in your secret 6-digit code. The factory code is just 1 through 6, and you'll see a little double beep and a click. You have a few seconds, maybe 3, 4, 5 seconds just to turn that knob, and that'll open the safe. If you don't turn it in time, you'll need to start again and enter the code again. You've got your steel door. You've got drill resistant plates behind the vulnerable parts. These are your locking bolts. I'll just lock the safe with the door open. So you've got 2 locking bolts at the top of the door and 2 at the bottom and 3 on the side, and they lock into these corresponding sockets or pockets, and there's 2 on the top as well. One shelf is supplied, but you can fit it in a choice of 3 places. I've just put it in the middle, as you can see there, or you can take it out entirely if you've got something large that you want to store and the shelf's in your way. For installing the safe, bolting it down, you've got 2 fixing holes in the base. These are just little plastic blanks, and you've got 2 in the rear for bolting to a wall through the back or to a floor through the base. So with us, the price you see on our website is the fitted price. There's no extra charges for delivery or installation as long as you're in our service area. It's all on the website, londonsafes.co.uk. Potential extra charge that I just remembered. If you do have a skirting board like we've got down there, the safe needs to be in contact with the wall. If the skirting board is here, we'd have to cut it. Some customers cut it themselves. If we cut it, that's an extra charge of £45. But that's it. That's the only potential extra. If you've got a location in mind that doesn't have a skirting board, then the price you see, that'll be it. If you want the safe elsewhere in the country, then the price you see will be the delivered price, basically, and we'll send it on a courier for you. Let's have a look at the internal dimensions. The internal height is 240 millimeters, the internal width 360, and the internal depth is 300, and that gives you a storage capacity of 26 litres. Just to give you an idea, I've got a luxury watch box here, which I'll just drop into the safe and back away, so you can see you get, if it is for watches, and often these safes are insisted on by insurance companies because of people's watches, you'll see you'd get a number in there, plenty of room. Dropped in a piece of A4, so A4 documents, no problem. Small folders would be no problem. And on the back of the door, you have the proof of the rating of the safe, the testing and certification of the safe. In this instance, it was certified and tested at the test house ECBS, and it's the standard EN 1143-1, which is the Euro grading for safe, and then the resistance grade is 1, which gives you that rating that I mentioned, 10,000 in cash or £100,000 in valuables. The next rating down is the Euro grade 0, which is £6,000 in cash or 60,000 in valuables, and the next rating up is Euro grade 2, which is 17,500 in cash or £175,000 in valuables, and it goes up from there. And that's pretty much it from me. And to shut the safe, you just shut the door and turn the knob, and that's automatically now locked. We're the highest rated safe company on Trustpilot. We've got lots and lots of 5-star Google reviews as well. We're not the most rated, we don't have the most reviews because lots of our competitors also gather reviews for silly little things like someone might buy a padlock and then they put that in their reviews. We only sell safes, so all of our reviews are 100% genuine. Have a look through. There's a link on our website where you can see all of our reviews. And as I say, if you've got a question, you can WhatsApp me, you can call. We have an online chat on the website, which is londonsafes.co.uk. Thank you for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.